We have an electronic water descaler right here. What's going on, guys? My name is Chris and I'm back with you with another unboxing and review video. This right here in front of me is the Yarna electronic water descaler. I'm excited to put this on. I'm in California. I'm in an older home. The water is super hard, dries on your windows from your sprinklers, your shower, and it's pretty bad if you don't stay on top of drying the sink, drying your shower glass doors every single time. First and foremost, this works with any type of pipe up to 4 inches in diameter, works on flexible water pipes. Let me briefly talk to you about what this is, and if there's anything I missed in the video, in the link in the description box below is going to be this exact same Yarna CWD48 model. They offer a few different models as well. I'll try to have those both linked in the description box below, but this one will definitely be your top link in the description box below. You guys in the UK, if they do sell it in the UK, I'll have you linked below as well. If not, one very similar to it. The Yarna CWD48, that's the model number, treats the water with electronic impulses, which are generated in the electronic unit and are controlled by a computerized microchip. The signal frequencies transmitted via the impulse coils help remove scale, buildup, and extend the life of devices using water such as pipes, water heater, laundry machine, dishwasher, etc. The system prevents hard minerals from being formed into scale and dirt. Now, they do want you to install it near a water main or a main water pipe in to your home. So install it near the water meter or at the main water supply. Make sure you have access to a power outlet. So you actually do need to have a power outlet with this to plug in the unit. The cord is a 6.5 feet long cord or 2 meters. So my water meter is actually right outside of the master bedroom area here, but it goes in through the guest bedroom closet. We will show you the installation process. The unit is effective up to 1.2 miles, 2 kilometers from the installation point along your pipe system. Depending on ambient temperatures, this effect can last up to 7 days after water exits your pipe system. Minerals remain in the water as ions. This prevents soaps and oils to stick to your skin or solid surfaces. Now, they do want to put a disclaimer on here. Let me go ahead and read those to you now. The Yarna CWD48 does not change the chemistry of your water. It does not kill viruses, bacteria, and it does not remove possible herbicides or pesticides in your water. So it does not do that. Let's get it out and install it. I call this fireside unboxing with an electronic water descaler. All right, let's get this out of the box here. So let's take a look at what we got underneath. We got some information here, and if I didn't mention it, guys, this is a big thing right here. You have a 1-year warranty, but you can extend the warranty to 10 years if you register it. All right, now let's go underneath here. We have our user manual here, and in the link below, we'll give you some more information here. I won't go into too many details here, but you guys can go ahead and pause that, read that there, and I'll also show you a photo of the pipe here. Go ahead and pause that. Here are some things that they're saying will help protect against block piping, high cost of heating. I like saving money. And something to keep in mind, you will need a minimum of 10 inches of exposed pipe. And again, try to get the closest to the main water supply or the water meter. So again, I'm gonna be using my main pipe coming in from the side of my house into the closet, and I'll be installing it there. And that main pipe is the pipe that obviously feeds my house with water from the city. So let's go ahead and pull this out here, and we're just gonna set that down just briefly. That's gonna do it for the box right there. Now these are copper ribbons right here. And let's go ahead and now take this off here so we can look at the unit a little bit better. So we have our digital display. We of course will be showing you that in the video. The Yarna logo right there, CWD48. We have the cord, which again is 6.5 feet, US plug, and just a 2-prong plug if you are wondering. You have a little area up here for a hook, or you have your screw holes down here where you can mount that in, and we will show you they do provide your mounting hooks as well. Here are our coils that you wrap around the pipe. So this goes in the middle. This one would wrap to the left. This one would wrap to the right, obviously, if the pipe is right here in front of us, going this way. If it was vertical, we'd of course mount this way. We'd put this one up and this one down. Doesn't really matter, but these go on the pipe. And the back of it has a little indentation as well for a better fit. So they give you a silicone tie right here that you can affix the unit to the actual pipe. They give you some zip ties as well. So you actually can mount this if you want with that little indention here on the back. You can actually mount that directly on the pipe, or you can mount that on the wall, either or. But they give you the option for either or with your tie downs, your zip ties, and then you have your 2 drywall anchors and screws in the little bag right here as well. So let's show you how to install this. All right, guys, it is installed, and let me show you exactly what I did here. There are some different installation options, so let me go ahead and walk you through this. So right here, we have our silicone wrapped around the back of the pipe in the back right there, tied up to the little hook right here. This has a slight bend to it, and then it's wrapped up right here. It needs a minimum of 9 coils around the pipe for it to work effectively. But if you have the space, wrap them all around there like that. Spit shooting, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 at the top. So that's definitely high efficiency right there. Now, the reason why it's right there is I couldn't wrap all the way to the end and all the way down the other side. So as you can see here, I'm in the closet in my spare bedroom. It drops down, and so I have a little bit more lag on this one, but no problem at all because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 down here. So just 1 coil less than up on top. Zip tie, you can of course cut those off if you want to. Both ends right there. And what's really, really awesome about this is it's very conveniently placed. The water meter is literally out the wall right there. So this is the main pipe coming in the house. This is what you want, if not on the outside of your home. But I go for the interior portion if possible, the exposed pipe there. Now, like I mentioned, the black cord is the plug for it. And right behind my Echo Show 5 is a plug right down below. Let's plug it in. All right, sweet. Since it is plugged in now, we have our little graph right here, and it's showing us our green marks within the squares here. Let's go ahead and look at that a little bit closer here. If we can read that, it says, I believe, VIN minimum is 4580V in the middle. We have power pole. Over on this end, it looks like it has 48.76. So we will keep our eye on that. But everything looks like it's functioning real nicely. All right, so we're gonna let that run, and we'll check back in with you if anything changes. And if you are wondering, I am not hearing any noises at all coming from it. No hums, no clicks, or anything. So don't worry about trying to sleep with that next to it. Again, I hear no noises. I do want to show you a couple of the different options in the user manual. If you don't have enough pipe, you could mount it this direction and put it like this. You could do it like this. You could do it like this or like that. You do need a minimum of 1/2 inch, 1 centimeter in between the coils, as it states right here. And it says for limited pipe space, you need to wind at least 9 turns for each band for the product to be effective, but try to get it fully wrapped around if possible. But you need a minimum of a 10-inch exposed pipe. All right, guys, it has been several weeks now, and I'm very happy with the unit. I'll discuss the water in just a second. I just want to show you a couple tips, making sure you're properly installing yours. Now, what you want is, like I've already showed you, you want a nice coil. The coils need to be nice and tight together here. And again, we have obviously longer than the allotted size. So if possible, once again, do that. Just make sure they're nice and tight, zip tied up on top. Those aren't going anywhere. You can throw another zip tie right on the bottom here. But after several weeks, absolutely nothing has come loose at all. Same thing down here on the bottom side. These are nice and tightly coiled together here, zip tied down here at the bottom. And that's going to give you the best results. Now, as you can see here, my pipe, my copper pipe is painted. You don't have to worry about that at all. It works on all piping, PVC pipes, PEX piping, copper pipe, even with a paint coat on top of it. And what's nice is this unit, they do offer a couple different units, but what I like about this unit is I can see exactly what's happening on the unit here. We can see the graph working. We can see that it's running smoothly. And I've mentioned it several times in the video, but absolutely no sound coming out of it because obviously I sleep right next to it, right over here. Now, it depends on how old your pipes are. These ones are about 15 years old or so, give or take a few years. So if you have an older home, it might take longer to see results. So keep that in mind as well. So let me show you what happens before and how you can prevent this from happening. And this was actually been worked on for months before, but the California hard water, and you guys see how it's just really foggy. Okay, this is when you stop using your squeegee and wiping it down after every shower. It has since gotten a little bit better. I know that looks terrible. That's the whole reason, obviously, to get a device like this is to prevent the hard water marks, especially after your dishwasher as well. Because what you want is you want it nice and beautifully clear here. And what's awesome is I'm actually experiencing this shower. Again, this is California water. So crazy hard, you can just feel it. And I've actually felt a difference in my water on my skin. And so that alone, not to mention what it's gonna do to your shower, preventing that, your dishwasher, and I'm enjoying it, and I'm looking forward to even longer term results. And what I mean by that is not having to wipe down the sink every single time, because this is what happens after years if you don't. I'm very wipey after every time I do the dishes or wash my hands. You got to do that, and hopefully now I can leave some trails on there and it will go ahead and dry without putting minerals on my stainless steel. Not to mention, again, the dishwasher, folks. The dishwasher, you want your dishes nice and clean. You don't want those hard water marks, especially after you do run it. And so again, guys, in the description box below is going to be this exact same unit. They do offer another unit as well. I will have both of those units linked in the description box below. See what other people are saying about it. Pick one up yourself. But just like all my videos, guys, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about. But if it intrigues you and you have the cash, go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind, thumb that video up on your way out as well. If you have enjoyed the video, subscribe also, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Once again, those links are right below the video. Take care. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.